Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to make Google Chrome the default web browser in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do because it means when you go and click a link, Google Chrome is used. So if you like using Google Chrome, it's a great idea to go and have this set up. So let's go and get right into this. Come down to the bottom of your computer and click on this Windows Start button like so. Come up and go and click on Settings like this. Then all you need to do is go over to the left and go and click on Apps and Apps. You need to find the 4 apps and you can go to the option for Search Apps and you can go and type in Google Chrome or just Chrome. It will appear, and then at the top here you can go and make Google Chrome your default browser. Rest set default like so, and then it should go and change the different options to Google Chrome, but you can also come down here and change these to Chrome as well, so you can go through the different apps here, but the majority of them are now Chrome. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.